Very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online teaching of science. See, students, we were there in the chapter number 13, Fun with Magnet, on the page number 130, and from where we have stopped, from there we will start. Okay. Later on, a device was developed based on this property of magnet. It is known as the compass. A compass is usually a small box with a glass covered on it. A magnetized needle is pivoted inside the box, which can rotate freely. See in the figure 13.10, it's a compass. See what they are telling, that it is on the property of the magnet. It's known as this one, it's known as the compass. A compass is usually a small box covered with a glass, okay, on it. Means this one is covered with a glass. A magnetized needle, see here one needle is there, it is made up of magnet. It's inside the box which can rotate freely, okay. Now the compass also has a deal with direction marked on it. See what they're telling, that the compass having a direction marked on it. See, it's a east, south, east, southwest, west, northwest, okay, east, northeast, okay. So those are the directions marked on it. The compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction. See what they are telling, that the compass is placed at a place where from which place we want to know the direction. At that place the compass is kept, okay. Now let us learn where we are. Yes, here the compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction. Its needle indicates the south north direction when it comes to the rest. See what they are telling, that from which place we want to know the direction, we want to keep the compass over there. And what they are telling again, that the compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction, even its needle indicates north and south direction when it's in rest. See, when the compass was in rest, at that time the compass indicates the north and the south direction. The compass is then rotated until the north and the south marked on the dial are at the two ends of the needle. See, once we will use the compass, then after the needle will keeps on moving, and lastly it will take rest into the direction of the north and the south. To identify the north pole of the magnetic needles, it is usually painted in a different color. See how we will come to know that whether which one is north and which one is south. Yes, we will come to know by what? By it is colored with a different color, okay. Now number 13.4, make your own magnet. There are several methods of making the magnet. Let us learn the simplest one. See, we are going to make our own magnet, okay. Take a rectangular piece of iron. See, like this, take a rectangular piece of iron. See, this is a rectangular piece of iron, okay. Now take a bar magnet, place it on the table. Then after we have to place that rectangular piece on a table. Now take a bar magnet and place on it its pole near one edges of the bar of the end. See, like this we have to place one of the edges over there, and see here they are placing the one of the edges over there, and then after they will start the rubbing. Now take a bar magnet and place one of the its pole near one edges of the bar of the iron. Without lifting the bar magnet, move it along with the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. See what they are telling, them, gently rub the magnet on this iron bar and repeat it again and again. Now lift the magnet and bring the pole to the same point of the iron bar from which you begin. See, then after you have to lift the magnet and again you have to bring the pole to which we have started the rubbing. Move the magnet again along the iron bar in the same direction as you did before. See what they are telling, that again repeat this process about 30 to 40 times. See, like this, gently rub the magnet over the iron bar more than 30 to 40 times, okay. Bring a pin or some iron filings near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet. If not, continue the process for sometimes. See what they're telling, that then after repeating it to the 30 or the 40 time, just bring a iron filings near to the iron bar, or just this one, bring the pins near to the iron bar. If it's not working as the principle of the magnet, if it's not started the attraction, then do it again, continue the process up to it started the principle of the magnet. More times, remember that the pole of the magnet and the direction of its movement should not change. See how they are doing this one, like from here to here, again. See what they are telling, that the direction should not change, the same process should be done. You can also use an iron nail, a needle, or a blade and convert them into the magnet. See what they are telling, that we can use an iron nail or a needle to convert them into the magnet. You know how to make a magnet. Would you like to make your own compass? See what they're telling, that now we know our how to make our magnet. So will you like to make a compass? So students, today we'll stop it over here. The activity 6 we will complete in next session. Okay, so that's all for the day, students. Have a good day.